Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use XP doublers and jump stars. To begin, locate your inventory or item menu within the game interface. XP doublers are special items that temporarily increase the experience points you earn from various activities, often by 100%. Jump stars, on the other hand, are designed to help you instantly progress, sometimes skipping an entire level or completing a specific objective. Understanding their individual functions is key to maximizing your in-game advancement. To activate an XP doubler, simply open your in-game inventory and select the item. You'll usually see a prompt asking you to confirm its use. Once activated, a timer will begin, and for its duration, all experience points you gain will be significantly boosted, often by 100%. This means you'll level up much faster, making it perfect for grinding or completing quests. Be sure to check the item's description for its exact duration, which is commonly 1 hour or 24 hours. Jump stars offer a different kind of boost, providing instant progression. You'll find them in your inventory, much like other consumable items. When you use a jump star, it immediately grants you a significant leap forward, often skipping one entire level or completing a specific, challenging objective. This can be incredibly useful for bypassing a particularly tough part of the game or for quickly advancing a new character. Always consider when to best deploy these powerful items for maximum impact on your journey. For the best results, consider combining your XP doublers with activities that yield high experience, such as completing major quests or participating in special in-game events. This synergy can multiply your gains dramatically. Reserve jump stars for moments when you need an immediate boost, perhaps to unlock a new skill or access a restricted area. By thoughtfully planning when and how you use both XP doublers and jump stars, you can achieve rapid and efficient character progression, saving you many hours of gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.